Welcome to Trading 101. Your journey to becoming a confident trader starts right here. My name is Jeff, and I'm your Professor Avatar. In this lesson, I'll walk you through the basics, explain how the markets really work, and help you start thinking like a trader, not a beginner. Trading is the art of buying low and selling high. You buy when the price is low. That's your opportunity. You sell when the price is high. That's your payday. This simple principle is how traders earn a profit. To succeed, traders study charts, spot trends, and stay updated on financial news. It's a mix of logic, timing, and risk control. When a good opportunity shows up, they move fast and with purpose. Let's put this concept into practice. A tech company's stock is priced at $150. Today, they're launching an exciting new product, and the market is watching. Let's buy the stock and track what happens next. Are you ready to think like a trader? Lock in your profit. Great move. You bought at $150, and the next week, the price jumped to $175. That's a $25 profit per share. But remember, it's not real until you push the sell button. Well done. You bought at $150 and sold at $175, locking in a $25 profit per share. This is the foundation of trading. Buy low, sell high. Congratulations, you've just executed your first successful trade. New opportunity. An energy stock is trading at $50. Industry research suggests prices could rise to $75. Let's buy now and position for potential gains. Action. Update. The stock dipped to $45, but bounced back to $48. Some traders might sell now to avoid loss, but analysts believe the long-term outlook is still strong. You held through the dip, and it paid off. The stock climbed to $75, turning a potential loss into a $25 per share profit. This is the power of understanding price behavior and emotional discipline. Now you understand the 3 core actions every trader must master. Buy when your analysis shows strong potential for price increases. Sell to lock in gains or minimize losses based on changing conditions. Hold when your long-term outlook remains solid, even if the market dips short-term. Smart traders don't guess, they know. Profitable trading requires real knowledge about companies, the economy, and the forces that move markets. Guessing is gambling. Understanding is power. If you don't know why prices move, you're not trading. You're hoping. How much money do I need to start? This is the -- 1 question new traders ask. Before you risk real money, focus on building your skills and gaining experience. So, let's ask a better question. What's the smartest way to invest in your education first? Always practice before you risk real money. Many beginners lose money by jumping into real trades too soon. At Market Mindset University, we recommend using a trading simulator to practice buying, selling, and holding with zero financial risk. Train your strategy. Master your mindset. Win with experience. Quick recap. Your core actions. Buy when your research points to rising prices. Sell to lock in gains or cut losses. Hold when the long-term outlook remains strong. You're off to a great start. Let's keep building your trading mindset. Do us a quick favor. If you're learning something valuable, show us some love. Like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Every click helps boost our algorithm and helps more future traders find this content. Great job making it through Lesson 1, Part 1, Investing and Trading 101. Up next, we're diving into your financial mindset, comparing styles, and helping you choose your path forward. So, are you ready to go deeper? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss Part 2.